Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. I want you to sit down, get a pen, get a paper, get your laptop, get your Facebook open, get your iPhone open, whatever it takes. Get something open and pay attention because I got something to tell you. This is our 2010 Hyundai Elantra. This thing is phenomenal. You're looking at a 65,000 mile vehicle for under $8,000. And it just so happens that it is in one of my favorite vehicles in this class, which is the Elantra. The Elantra is extraordinarily durable. It is very comfortable. It's extremely efficient. This thing has really good tires on it. It's got a perfect CarFax. It comes with all the equipment you could wish for. This thing is as nice as you will ever find. You can see that for a car getting 34 miles to the gallon, it is going to give you a ton of space. Look at the space this thing has. Tons of room here. You can see that you do have a 60-40 split folding rear seat, which is going to be easy to release by pushing or pulling these two buttons here. You never have to get in the car to drop those seat backs if you got something large to carry. Pull those, push it in, and you got everything you need stored inside. Back here, you can see that you're going to have plenty of room to comfortably fit 3 passengers. You do have a folding armrest there. One thing I really like is that they have those nets there on the back so you can, their passengers can haul some stuff in there if you want. And you do have a hard plastic backing right there. Super important, because if you've got kids and your kids are in the back doing what kids do, you don't have to worry about them tearing your seat up. Super important. They really thought ahead when they were doing this. Up front here, so you're going to have all your power options, including your power mirrors. Quick release for your trunk there. You do have a height adjustable seat, side impact airbags all the way around. You are going to get cruise control. You're also going to have your premium audio system. This does have auxiliary input and USB input right there. You are going to have your AC automatic transmission and an oversized center console for storage there. You do get additional storage there on your dash too. That little thing flops up there. Make sure you go to citymotors.net and check out my full tutorial on that. But holy cow, don't wait on this thing, whatever you do. I'm talking 34 miles to the gallon. Perfect CarFax. Awesome size car. It is so easy to find these Elantras out there with well over 200,000 miles on them. This thing has just over 65,000 miles and under $8,000. Guys, do not miss this vehicle. I'm telling you, don't miss it. I cannot replace these things. You just cannot find this kind of value out there. At City Motors, we're also going to give you a 6-month 7,500 mile warranty. That's 6 months or 7,500 miles. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. If you're out of the area, have no fear. You can buy here. That is a coast to coast warranty. Worried about processing fees? I can't blame you. But don't worry here, because we have no processing fees. There are no dealer fees here. So if you're calling around, check the price of these dealer fees. They can easily surpass over 10% of the cost of this vehicle. Do not pay any fees, not $1. No fees here at City Motors. Call us at 540-433-7335. Text us at that same number 24/7, but do it quick. Be fast, because this thing is not going to sell, and you cannot find these kind of miles on this kind of car at that kind of price with our warranty. Get here fast. We hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.